Hello guys. Where are we? Where are we? It's more about where are we going to be. So right now we're in Canggu, staying at this cool place actually. We've been here, we've been here twice, but actually this time we've been in two different rooms. This is the room we're staying in now. It's called Villa Tipicali, just up kind of Eco Beach Road. I have shown you it and bits and bobs. Basically, whenever we're kind of staying in Canggu, well, we've stayed in we've stayed in one other place, but we have stayed here quite a lot, the predominant amount of time. But this is our, well, I guess, second room this time around. As you can see, nice net, desks, kind of a thing. I mean, the floor is a bit thing, but you know, really nice view. But you know, birds, green stuff. We also have, yeah, well, I'll show you the rest. So, you know, that's that room, kind of the bedroom, living area room. Nice wardrobe, set of drawers. We've actually moved a lot of the furniture around. Kind of one of the first things Ashes does when she gets into a place. This is the bathroom, fairly simple, fairly easy. But then we also have, this is the kind of the front door I guess, then we've also kind of got this shared kitchen area and like another sofa here. So yeah, it's kind of like our, I guess, kitchen-y area. So this is kind of ours as well. We do share it with the person next door, although she doesn't really seem to use it much. But yes, generally, you know, in there it's got like a cooker and a fridge, and even like water cooler thing. So generally we've got everything we need. So it's great. Most of the rooms here kind of had that, where it's kind of like a room with a shower, but then there's kind of some sort of shared kitchen type area. Like the place we had was like on the other side, I think, of the property. It was a bit more peaceful. I actually maybe preferred it, I think. I don't know, the bathroom was massive. Not that I am a big bathroom person, but yeah, that one's, it's alright, it's okay, you know. But yeah, all in all, this has been like a great stay here. You know, it's really great for getting from here down to kind of the beaches and stuff. It's like 10-minute walk or so. There's a lot of traffic sometimes, which does annoy me, but and actually recently, so much so that I sometimes just catch a Gojek. You know, it costs like 12,000, so like 60p or something, just to get down there. You know, it's less than the London bus system, for example, and you get to the beach instead of to some place in London. Oh, Asha's back. Ta-da!
Oh, hello.
She's just been and got some food, maybe. Look, she's just got some food from Switch. And they are on, yeah, they're on Legion.
Oh yeah.
They're on Legion. So we've actually had food from them, these guys, on the beach in Legion, which is where we're heading next. Haha. Seminyak. So we're going to Seminyak area. We are all packed up. Packing. Gone. Packing. Everything is packed. I've been for a run this morning, so I'm a bit sweaty. I apologise. But yeah, it's kind of, that was the last run. We had our last sunset. This is our last little bit in Canggu for a little bit.
This time?
This time around, yeah. Yeah, there's always, we can always come back. We're going to Seminyak now-ish. Then we're just going to eat some food. And then, yeah, we'll go to Seminyak for a few days, 5 days or so. And then we're heading to Bangkok. So, yeah, it's kind of, this will be our last time in Canggu. That will be our last time in Seminyak. It does feel like it's kind of like winding down in Bali for us for a little bit. But why are we leaving? Well, our visas are running out. Haha. But also, you know, it's, like I said, it's grey today. I mean, it was sunny earlier. Yeah, we're here for sunshine. We got enough grey in London, so we're gonna chase the sun, head to, well, Bangkok. Perhaps not the best place to enjoy the sun, but Thailand. So Bangkok first, and then we'll see. Alright, there's an usher.
Yes, as my new album that is coming out very soon, we are following the sun.
Yes, that's the title of her new album, mostly created in Bali.
Yes, all songs are like I wrote on the way traveling in Bali, and I'm just working on kind of editing, and yeah, and it will be soon ready, so available on all music platforms, and yeah, check it out.
Yeah, I'll link it below, above, around. And actually some of it was recorded in Seminyak as well.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So this is a kind of like traveling sonic diary.
Yeah, so it definitely does like encapsulate a lot of what Bali,
Culture,
and Indonesia, and
sounds with the soundscape of the nature of Indonesia, and my acoustic arrangement and vocal.
And the language as well.
And
You
the
do
language
you
as
bring a bit of
well,
language,
yeah.
bit of Bahasa in there.
Mm.
Okay, so we're gonna have sandwich, and then we're
Yeah.
gonna get going. I think we've got maybe half an hour or so before we have to leave. Or
No,
maybe less.
10 minutes.
Oh, we've got 10 minutes, people. Quick. Okay, that's enough of you. We're gonna eat some food. Hello, fellow drifters, and welcome to Culture Drift. We bring you raw, authentic experiences and off the beaten path adventures. We are currently in Bali, Indonesia, so join us as we explore this beautiful island. And don't forget to keep on drifting. Okay guys, so that's it. Goodbye little house. Goodbye little bathroom. Goodbye little cooler, etc, etc, etc. Oh, lights. Yeah, we're actually gonna not eat the thing in here because we're actually just maybe past our, oh, dark, just past our time. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah, we're gonna eat downstairs in like a little foyer type area, so we're gonna eat there. Yes, so come with me. Here we are. How's the light? Okay, not too bad. Let's just do that. So yeah, coming through. Like I said, I've already kind of shown you the place before. So it's pretty cool, like the grounds and everything. There's like place. Up. I think there's some more up there. Let's see through here. Hang on, I will just do a little bit. Swimming pool. It's quite nice. It's always warm. It's always very warm. It's not so refreshing. But I guess warm's good. I guess. These are all the grounds. Yeah, like the very first time we actually stayed like one cottage there, and then last time, well this time, but before, we actually stayed down through there. I mean, there's people there now, I'm not going to show you. But yeah, it's amazing, like, yeah, where in Bali do you get so much green grass? So much space, you know? That's a lot, that's good. You know, trees and stuff, birds you can hear chirping. Yeah, we're going to hang out here in the little foyer. The foyer, and have the sandwich. How's the sandwich? Looks good, people. Okay, I'm gonna jump in. Look at all the stuff. Very hot. Yeah. Should we put the fan on? Okay, I'm gonna eat some food, people. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have some sandwich, some S-wedge. Ash has already pretty much finished hers. Oh, she's got a whole nother half. These guys. Switch. Like I said, I've had these before down on the beach in kind of Seminyak area. That's what we're dealing with. What is it?
No, I like their ecological bag that is fully made of paper and like a rope. So that's like really cool. They're very friendly here as well.
Yeah, they were nice guys. I do remember it taking a very long time, like on the beach, to the point where I thought they'd forgotten. but
Yeah.
they are busy. You know, like in Indonesia as well. They've got all Gojek and stuff. I think that they service. So what do we got? What do we got in here? I saw you eating chicken.
No, it's him.
So chicken on a panini. Wow, panini.
They forgot to give avocado.
They forgot to give avocado. Okay. Maybe they ran out. Very good though. Wow. Like roast chicken. Awesome. And how much was it?
So when I ordered it was 40, but when I paid it was 50.
Oh,
Because one menu above the counter shows 40, while the other menu shows 50. So it depends.
depends on which. Where are you looking? Just keep looking up. Don't look down. Is that the answer? Just keep looking up, and you'll see
No,
40.
look at the menu to get the real price.
I guess. I don't know. But yeah, 50. I guess. I mean, this is only half of it.
I mean, to be honest, I thought it would be with avocado. So
Yeah, we haven't seen avocado.
we didn't get any avocado.
Oh well, still good. And like after a run, I definitely
Really
need something,
good, yeah.
something like this. Like pretty continental, shall we say? Okay, guys, I'm gonna keep eating. Hello, guys. That's it. We're going. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Sandwich is done. Switch sandwich. We may go have another one on Legion Beach at some point. Who knows? Now we are packing all this stuff, all the things, into a car. Let's hope we have a car big enough. And then we're going to Seminyak. Yay!
Yes.
Seminyak, here we come.
We're back, Seminyak.
We're back, Seminyak. Okay, guys, off we go, off we go. Here's our man. Here's our trusty chariot. Yeah, I think I'll put this in with us. And we are in. Whoa. Yes, yes, stuck, go. Okay, guys, we are in the car going to Seminyak. Bye bye, Canggu. Bye bye bye. Hello, Seminyak. Hello, guys. We are in. And this is how dark we are. But we're here. We're here. We're here. A little bit dark for the camera maybe, but that's okay. Yeah, we're here. Where are we? I don't know. Seminyak. You know, we know. Everybody knows. This is our place. Right outside our door. They are doing a bit of work over there, which is a little bit of drilling, but you know, I mean, I guess that's okay. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah. This is the place, this is the place. Check it out, look at all the really cool designs up here. Oh look, light switch. Wow, light switch.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, really nice, really nice. And then this is the room. TV, amazing. I never watch TV. The bed, like a 4-poster bed. And this is the bathroom. Then we got a shower and a bath. I haven't had a bath for a very long time, for many a year. This is all kind of marvelous stuff up to the heavens up there. Very cool. And yeah, if you need to, you can spy on your significant other on the toilet. Or you can just close the curtains. Probably closing the curtains at some point. Would be ideal.
A little bit down at time we stayed in Canggu with no door to the toilet.
Yeah, we did have one place. Not in the last place we were at, but other place in Canggu. Where, yeah, there was absolutely no door on the toilet. Yes, let's just say we got to know each other quite well.
Plus, I had Bali Bell at that time. Woo!
Yeah, Bali. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. I'm not sure what we're doing. I think we're just chilling out more or less. We don't have too much plan really even for Seminyak as such. I mean it's rain, it looks like it's going to rain again. But yeah, still, there's quite a few things actually. I don't know. Might go do some fun things sometime in Seminyak. Go play some pool. I saw some like mini golf maybe.
Mini golf?
Like activities.
Wow.
Yeah, activities. I don't know. Go do some like something, I don't know. There is the beach, obviously.
To be honest, last time when we were here in Seminyak, it was just so much fun that even thinking about it to being back here, I feel like I'm already more optimistic. I don't know. Like it has a vibe of like lots of things happening in here. So yeah, and great beaches as well. Hello, salamat pagi.
Selamat siang.
Siang.
Sian, yeah, it's past.
Still learning.
Sian. So yeah, that's it for now. But there's gonna be things. We got like five nights here, I think, in Seminyak before Bangkok. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there will be beach. Yeah, there's malls and stuff probably that I'm gonna go to. I still need shoes, people. Still need shoes. And even my shoes that do fit, or do, you know, the shoes I brought with me, they're, I mean, they're good, but you know, they're not at their best.
Yeah, I wrote my new songs, my go to record
Are
as
you recording?
well.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want
Just
to say.
finish the album with last Follow the Sun song. There's an album song that I wrote last 2 days in Canggu. It's done, it's composed, and now it just needs to be recorded, and that's it.
Yeah, because the last, I think you recorded a few tracks here last time we were in Seminyak. And yeah, so we know like a recording studio just around here. Cool guys, well, we're going to enjoy this and the place, chill out a bit, might do some editing because I've kind of been skiving off for a couple of days. I don't know, maybe just try and work out how to unfold this swan and get our towels out of there somehow. If you know how to unfold a swan towel or a towel swan, do.
Is it a swan or is it
I should need some more teachings on what an animal looks like. Actually, I thought I might do a video on all of Bali's animals, or at least the animals we've come into contact with.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay, cool guys. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time. Well, I mean, you know, if this gave you anything, infused you with any sort of inspiration or something, why don't you subscribe, because there's going to be more. There's going to be loads more. More of me, more of her, a bit more of Bali. Yes. Cool, cheers guys. Subscribe, like, comment, etc. We'll see you on the next one. Until then,
Keep on drifting!
keep on drifting.